Hi there guys, sorry for being away during so much time, but I had other things going on. Now I would like to answer a few questions on the comments of my cgtrader video, and since that video has over 1 year now, I think it's time to do an update. Without losing that much time, let's start with the first one. How long does it take to do a 3D model from start to finish? Well, as always, this depends on the model itself, never more than a day and never less than a morning or an afternoon. So if I would have to get an average, probably around 5 hours a model, from shooting, editing the photos, processing them on Zephyr or Metashape, and refining the maps and final model. What is your percentage from the sales? Right now I get 75% from each model, however, there's also taxes that I'm discounting, so in the end I get around 50 something percent. This number is not fixed, since the beginner starts only with 70% and then you can go until 80%. Payoneer. From what I've searched, it's just another platform to withdraw the money you got from cgtrader, right? I use PayPal, so I don't know how to handle this one, but I guess it won't be that different from PayPal itself. What are the best models to make in order to sell more? There's no right answer for this actually. I've started selling food related objects because I saw there was a gap on quality on what was being sold at the time, and I guess this is what you should do as well. Try to figure out what are the objects that are being sold more often and try to do it better. If you get it, perfect. I'm sure you'll be able to get some money from it. Hope I was helpful and answered your questions. Keep in mind that from the last video until now, I haven't made a single object and still got around $800 from this last year. Passive income sounds delicious, right?